Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jimbo, and today what we're looking at is something my wife actually sent me. It's this YouTube channel called 5-Minute Crafts, and what they do is they do hacks for all different areas of life, but one area that they do are car hacks, so like even car cleaning hacks. So in today's video, what we're going to be doing is going over some of these hacks to see if they actually work in real life. So I haven't seen these either, so it's going to be a first for me to get my reaction, and then we're going to take it outside and see if they actually work. All right, let's check out the first one. They're spraying the window. Poor visibility. It's not beating. Fabric softener and dishwashing liquid. Looks like honey. And they're going to mix it together. Is that a towel? So fabric softener and what was the other one? Leave to dry and wipe off. And then, then it's just going to repel the rain. Oh, okay. So glass sealant. Okay, let's try it. All right, so the best part about these 5-minute hacks is they never tell you how much, like what the measurements are. So I'm just kind of going by visual. So first we have this LA's Totally Awesome, which is a detailer's dream product line. And it's also the improved formula, which I'm a big fan of. So let's just, it looks like they just poured some in, not out of the jug, but we'll just, that looks good. And then I guess it depends, your measurement depends on how much you need, right? Like how many windows you're trying to do.
Is it half and half?
It's, it looks like a couple ounces of that, and then it looks like just one shot, like a shot glass.
Well, that's like 4 to 6 ounces of the fabric softener.
Okay, so tell me when to stop.
Oh, I don't know, stop.
Okay, we're stopping.
That felt like a lot.
They're kind of close in color.
I got you green apple. How does it smell?
It actually smells really good. Oh, something doesn't smell good. I think it's the fabric softener. Actually mixes a little bit better than theirs, but it is a little soapy. Theirs doesn't look soapy. It looks like honey to me. Look, theirs doesn't soap up at all.
I don't know.
Oh wait, I gotta do that part. Just apply it to the towel and then rub it on the window and then let it sit and then wipe it off.
But how long do you let it dry for?
How long do you let it dry for? How much do you apply?
We have questions.
We have questions.
We have deep questions.
Okay, let's go apply it to the car. The one thing with 5-minute crafts is that they lack detail and description and instructions, really. So it doesn't say to clean your car first. It doesn't say anything. It just says rub it on your window and then let it dry and then you're good to go. So we're going to be doing it on the Model X today. If the window's somewhat clean, I got my towel. We'll just apply it on. I don't know, is this like circular motions or back and forth? I have my tape line to see if it's any different. That should be good. And then it just says to let it dry. So we'll let it dry for a few minutes and then come back and take it off. All right, now I gave it 24 hours to cure. No, I'm joking, it's been a few minutes, but it's pretty hot out. It looks dry, but it actually is coming off a lot easier than I thought. I thought it was going to be a streaky mess. Well, it is pretty streaky, but. Wow. Okay, 5-Minute Crafts. 5-Minute Crafts Pro Detailing Channel. Let's put some water on this baby. It's actually really, really like sticky and tacky, but it doesn't look bad. All right, let's put some water on it. All right, let's see if there's any difference. I'm kind of imagining just a soapy mess. Wow. And I guess it works, right? I mean, hard to tell. It didn't say to like, I guess if your car actually had a, wasn't beating, it'd be different, but it kind of looks the same. But it is repelling water nonetheless. It is beating water up.
Does it look better than the other side?
No, it looks the same. And that's kind of the point. Why go through all that when you could just like spray wax your car and use that same towel and wipe down your windows?
Same.
They look pretty the same. Pretty the same. All right, so for this next one, it looks like they tried to recreate some sort of dirty seat here with salt, maybe, baby powder, who knows? Oh, they're showing you how dirty it is. Okay, then they're taking what do you call one of those like kitchen scrubber thing? Oh no, that's a toilet scrubber. A toilet Yeah, of course it cleans it. Look, if you look at all the powder in the air, so they're gonna attach the toilet scrubber, hopefully not a used one, and then your seat. And if you look when it scrubs, look at this like cloud of smoke that's coming off it, because it's just baby powder, it's not real soils. Actually, probably would work pretty good. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, clean your engine with it right after you clean your seat with it. Clean your rims, because those things aren't stiff at all, and you're never gonna scratch a chrome rim. Oh my gosh. So that would probably work if you used like an all-purpose cleaner with it, but that was baby powder, and they had a cloud of baby powder and then went straight to the engine, to the rims. Let's try it.
Here's your tools
Go
for
ahead,
the next
boss.
one. So with these, I got you 2 different kinds to figure out which one would fit or break easier.
It
Try
almost
one
looks
here.
like you have to get like this perfect, very specific one that has like that, it's almost like here,
But further back.
but further back.
I went to 2 stores and I couldn't find it, so
This one's a lot softer. This one's hard, but what?
oh my gosh, I'm scared. I'm... Oh my gosh.
All right.
No, not bad.
Not bad, not bad.
Okay.
Almost lost an eyeball. Tighten it in. Oh, wow.
Is that how the first one was ever made?
That is. This is going to work. This is probably going to be the best one.
Just imagine this running down the crack of your ass.
Confident?
Yeah, this will work because it's a lot like this, right?
Better shape.
Let's go try it. All right, so it doesn't show to like spray anything on it or anything, and I was going to do it on the engine, but a Tesla doesn't have an engine, and I wouldn't recommend it on rims, and I'm definitely not doing it on my own rims.
On the Porsche? Engine?
No,
Please don't.
no. So we're going to do it on the Speedster floor mat. It doesn't say to spray anything on it before, it just kind of goes to town, so let's just go to town.
You got Brian.
I got you?
Now that's a lot of damage.
So it gets dirt off the rug, and it works. I mean, it's just like a carpet brush.
Audrey, come here.
It would be even better if you sprayed something on it.
I'm shocked.
Shocked that it works?
Yeah.
Of course it works.
The dog is very unimpressed.
Woo! That one's definitely not a fail.
Detailing on a budget.
Detailing on a budget, that works pretty dang good. That one gets a pass, 10 out of 10. And the dog likes it. All right, here we go for the next one. You got crumbs in your cup holder. Everyone does. You're gonna take a sock and put it around your cup and then put it back in your cup holder to collect the crumbs. First of all, this must be like the juiciest, wettest muffin crumbs to be able to like attach to the sock. It's a sock, not a magnet. But again, this is kind of where these 5-minute crafts kind of go. Wouldn't it be much easier to actually either take that sock and put it around your hand and scoop it up and get rid of it, or just, I don't know, use a vacuum? That might be easier than now you have a dirty sock. What are you gonna do with the dirty sock now? Let's try it. All right, so I got the sock, and I'm not very proficient at putting a sock on a cup. So let's see how it works. And this is my second time around, so that way it was a lot better. Fits very snug on my morning cup of joe. And let's just squish it in there. Give it its best squishy squish. Ugh. Ugh. I mean, technically it works, but it leaves a lot to be desired, and frankly, a lot left. in the cup holder, but if you go around too. Ugh. Did it get any more on there? I don't think so. You know what would be a lot easier than this? Than taking your sock off? Just a vacuum. A vacuum, because you're still going to need to vacuum it. And then as you see, it just kind of falls off everywhere. Anyway, just get a vacuum. Ooh, we're creating some art. Oh, and you're rolling over. No! So if you wanted to become an artist with your car, first of all, where's the pink? Oh, there's the pink. Okay. So, oh my gosh. So if you look at how the car rolls over, let's go back. If you look at how the car rolls over the paint.
You're like, don't want to do this?
Well, it shoots, it doesn't, like when you roll, it looks like when you're rolling over the paint, it doesn't like shoot up to this easel.
Jump cuts. This whole channel, I swear to you, is all jump cuts. You're gonna.
If you roll something over with your tire, it's gonna just shoot out straight onto the ground, not like jump to an easel.
Projectile.
Like way up here. Oh my gosh. Like you could. It's like they roll it over, it's going flat, and then they show it, and it's just like shooting up to this easel. And a lot of it too.
I wasn't sure if you're gonna hate me for this one.
I'm gonna hate you for it because if it gets on the car, it doesn't shoot perfectly onto this easel, and then where the rest of, okay. So now you have this like artwork.
One of a kind.
One of a kind artwork that your car made. Oh, and it's continuing to go. It's showing more. Oh, you could do it on mugs too. What? Who cleans the street after all this? Is this water-based? And then it even looks really bad after. Like, who wants a thick painted mug? That sounds, let's try it. All right, so we got our easel is a bucket because I'm a detailer. We got our piece of art that is going to be decorated, trying to line it up precisely. We got the paints laid out we kind of try to measure as best as possible to where the tire would roll over the paints perfectly. As you can see, they're a little runny, so we're already spewing out. So we might have a really great piece of art on our hands, but I really don't know. So are you ready?
No, I'm nervous.
Let's do this. All right.
Should I go fast or slow?
I don't know.
Ready?
Fast or slow? What do you think? Oh! It's all on the car. It's everywhere. Oh. I did not expect that. It's, oh my gosh.
This was a really bad idea.
This was a horrible idea, but it worked. Oh my gosh.
Tempura paint. I don't know if this is washable. It's beautiful though! Right? It's on the camera.
You gotta get it off everything.
Oh my gosh, go show the car. The car's so bad. Oh my gosh, this might be like really cool artwork if we like did it on a pair of Vans or something. Oh my god. That's so bad.
You done fucked it up.
I think we should have drove slow. Okay,
Let's get it off everything. Help Brian with the camera.
Okay.
That was pretty eventful, and the good news is that I got this lovely piece of artwork out of the deal. I also became the canvas myself, as well as Bryant, and all Bryant's camera equipment got painted, so we'll probably be cleaning paint up off each other. What? Just kidding, not each other. for the next few weeks, at least until we introduce more paint projects to this YouTube channel. Anyway, if you want to see any behind the scenes of what happened with this and just craziness, you can follow me over on Instagram. I'll link that below. And let me know how you liked a video like this in the comments below. And on your way down there, don't forget to hit that big red subscribe button. And I will catch you guys on the next video, hopefully with less paint on my body. See ya.